is gone, snow is on the ground, and Christmas season has begun. I have so many warm, wonderful memories of Christmases in the past.
A lot of fun, and the kids are having a great time. Cookie's medium size.
So delicious.
Great job. Raven, how was your cookie? Was it good?
It was a Christmas tree.
Let's all say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Merry
Santa.
Christmas. But we just forgot to put the camera on movie. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Oh, pretty. I like the color too.
She asked for red.
Yeah, it's nice. Good job. Oh no. Here's your farmer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your farmer? Huh? Farmer? No. What?
Thank you. Hello again. This is Jack Benny.
The orchestra. And now, ladies and gentlemen, there being just 2 more shopping days till Christmas, we bring you that fugitive from Gimbel's basement, Jack Benny.
Thank you. Hello again. This is Jack Benny talking. And Don, speaking of Gimbel's basement, I never saw so many women shopping in my life. I got shoved around like a blinza in Lindy's. Boy, what a mob.
Pretty hectic, huh?
Hectic. You know, Don, I can understand my derby getting caved in, my muffler torn, and the sleeve of my coat ripped off. But how I lost my pivot tooth, I'll never know. That was really an experience.
Oh, I can just imagine what you must have gone through.
You know, a funny thing about women, Don, all year long they're so helpless. You have to open the door for them. They can't light their own cigarettes. They cling to your arm as you walk down the street. They're as delicate as butterflies. And then, about 2 weeks before Christmas, a mad glint comes into their eyes. And with an umbrella for gouging and a handbag for slugging, off they go. Come on, girls, let's mangle the mail. That's their battle cry.
Well, Jack, women are a little excitable when they're shopping around Christmas time, but I don't think they're as tough as you say.
Oh, you don't, eh?
W. Fitch Company, makers of Fitch Shampoo, presents The Fitch Bandwagon, written by Ray Singer and Dick Chevrolet, Elliot Lewis, Janine Roos, Ann Whitfield, Robert North, Walter Sharp in his music, and starring Alice Faye and Bill Harris. For weeks now, the Harris children, like children all over the world, have been thinking of nothing but Christmas and Santa Claus. They've been on their best behavior. And as we look in, we find Alice complimenting the children on their good deportment.
Now, you've been particularly good, Alice. You've gone to sleep early, you've put all your toys away, you've finished all your food at mealtime, and you drink all your milk.
Gee, I've been a regular little angel, haven't I, Mommy?
Oh, no. No, let's not go that far. As for you, honey, you've been just as good as Alice. You, too, have been going to bed early, putting your toys away and eating all your food. The only thing is you haven't been drinking all your milk.
Well, I tried to, but you know how that stuff gags me.
Quiet, Bill, I'm talking to little Phyllis. Where is she? She was here a minute ago.
She went in the den, Mommy. I'll get her. Phyllis! Phyllis!
I have always been just naturally attracted to clothes and shoes of yesteryear, particularly a good pair of leather shoes, and I just purchased these from Ms. Moose in New York City. I also love pinafores, aprons. This is a 100% cotton apron with big pockets, and I absolutely love it.
Each week at this time from Hollywood, California, Kraft presents Harold Peary as the Great Gildersleeve, written by Leonard L. Levinson. And now let's visit our friend, the Great Gildersleeve.
Let me have some more of that green paper, Leroy. Thanks. Hey, who are you sending that necktie to?
It's for Cousin Clinton in Iowa.
Leroy, you can't do that. He's the one who sent you that tie last year.
Oh. Well, in that case, I'll mail it to Uncle Stanley.
Oh, no. Uncle Stanley gave it to Cousin Clinton the year before.
Well, Uncle Mort, how do you know?
Because I gave it to Uncle Stanley 4 years ago.
Oh, are you sure it's the same time?
Oh, positively, Marjorie. I'd know those purple stripes and those orange dots anyplace.
But, gee, what'll I give Cousin Clinton?
Oh, I think we can skip him this year if we send him a Christmas card.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Llewellyn,
Yes, Miss Marjorie.
be sure to address a card to our cousin Clinton, will you please?
Yes, ma'am, right away.
Say, how are you coming along with the addressing and the sealing, Llewellyn?
Well, I'm a widow groggy.
Yeah?
I feel as if I'd whipped my weight in Christmas seals. I wish they'd get some different flavored glue, like strawberry, raspberry, cherry, orange, lemon, or lime.
They'll come to that, Llewellyn. You're just a little ahead of time. Yeah. Here, Leroy, what are you doing?
Me? Oh, I just thought I'd see what's in this package Piggy Banks gave me.
But Leroy, it's marked don't open until Christmas.
Yes. Haven't you any self-control or willpower, young man? Don't you realize that if you opened all your gifts ahead of time, when Christmas morning came around, you wouldn't have a single toy left to break?
But, gee, I caught Marjorie sniffing around the present you gave her, Uncle Mort.
I was not, Leroy.
Mort, too.
I just happened to drop it, and I was afraid it might be perfume.
Oh, yes. Well, it's not perfume, it's a whoops. I almost told you then. Now, both you children stop acting childish. Let me alone while I wrap this present. It's for Fibber McGee. I've already sent Molly McGee a big bottle of perfume, so I better get Fibber McGee's present in the mail for Wistful Vista tonight.
Oh, what did you get for him, Uncle Mort?
Something he needs badly. An electrical pants presser. It's a neat little gadget, isn't it? Although I doubt if it'll make much of an impression on those gunny sacks McGee wears.
You think that's enough of a gift for Mr. McGee?
Why not? Cost me 39 cents at the cut-rate drugstore.
39 cents?
Yeah.
But I thought Mr. McGee was a close friend of yours.
He is, Leroy. He's the closest friend I've got. And I'm not speaking geographically or intimately. I'm speaking financially.
I never knew that.
Well, he isn't exactly tight. He's more of the borrow a tool today and return when rusty type.
One of the things I love to do is to take olive oil or linseed oil and rub it into old furniture or old wood items to make it new and beautiful again. I found this beautiful hand-carved shelf at a thrift store, and this is what it looked like after I finished oiling it. This is another little antique coffee grinder or herb grinder, and this is a tea cozy and my grandmother's china cup. These are two lovely aprons that I use while cooking and baking. Baking goodies at Christmas is one of my favorite things. And I got most of my recipes from my mother and my grandmother, but this one right here I got from YouTube. So it's Scottish tablet and it's just so amazing. If there's anything that could, taste like Christmas, this is it. You can literally just take a bite of this and be reminded of the Christmas holidays.
Absolutely mad that there doesn't seem to be any subject or recipes in Scotland that is but it's mine. So, this for frying. You don't need to do this. If you add onions too, but today we're going to actually use a mixture of raw and previously fried up, because once you fry it up, it just releases a wee bit of sweetness. So we'll just get.
I filled up this very large mason jar with all of the Scottish tablet, and I am going to gift it to the people at my church for Christmas. There's only 7 people in my church, so they're gonna love it. I also think that it's important to take care of yourself and to surround yourself with beautiful things that make you happy. I bought this pink tea tray for myself for Christmas and this book on how to do preserves in canning. So I'm really excited to try my hand at canning. I have never done it before. I've tried sauerkraut, but I was a little bit nervous about eating it and then I waited too long. So I'm going to use this book, and when summer comes around, I plan on doing a lot of preserving. I would like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Christmas is such a nostalgic time for me. It brings back so many memories of when I was a child and my children playing out in the snow and having fun. Great food, spending time with family and friends. I just love this season, and I'm wishing all of you the most fantastic holiday ever. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy holiday!
Merry Christmas to everyone.